just love story time, but today it's extra special because it's Halloween. Look at all of our fun costumes. I love dressing up. I wonder what Halloween story we're going to read today. Let's find out. Thanks for joining us for story time, friends. Today we are reading Little Blue Truck's Halloween, written by Alice Schertle, illustrated by Jill McElmurry. Little Blue Truck and his good friend Toad are going to a party just down the road. Beep, 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 says Little Blue. It's Halloween. You come too? Who's that in a tutu striking a pose up on the tiniest tips of her toes? Under the mask, who do you see? Quack, says the duck. It's me! It's me! Who's this clown with a big red nose and a cap that jingles wherever he goes? Under the mask, who do you see? Bah! Says the sheep. It's me! It's me! Who's this queen with a golden crown and sparkling jewels in a velvet gown? Under the mask, who do you see? Moo! Says the cow. It's me! It's me! What scraggly hair! What funny teeth! Who is hiding underneath? Under the mask, who do you see? Oink! Says the pig. It's me! It's me! There's a fancy feather on the pirate's hat. Who's dressed up in a hat like that? Under the mask, who do you see? Cluck, says the hen. It's me! It's me! A dragon's head and dragon's wings. Who's that wearing those dragon things? Under the mask, who do you see? Nay, says the horse. It's me! It's me! Croak, says the toad. There's just one more. Has anyone seen this ghost before? Off comes the sheep. It's you-know-who. Little Blue Truck says, beep, beep, boo! Thanks for joining us, friends, for this special Halloween story time. This is so much fun. See you next time.